Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I am going to build a waterer for my chickens and my ducks. And what I've got is I've got this black irrigation hose I just happen to have laying around my house, and I'm going to use that in conjunction with these little handy dandy waters here. You screw that in, and then the ducks, the chickens, they move this around and they get water out of it. And so we're going to put that up. We've got 2 or 3 places we want to get water to, and so we're going to string this hose along there and see if we can get water to all those places. So join me as we work on making a watering thing for the ducks and the chickens in the shack that Dennis built. Alright, so on this side we're going to put a hose bib connector to connect it to the hose, and we're just going to add a little bit of pressure on there just to keep water dripping through there. And then on this side we've got an end cap, and that'll keep the water in. So we're going to stretch this thing out on the fencing on this chicken and duck pen into this other pen. We have a brooding pen back here, and then back out there we have a third little range where we keep the ducks, so we'll try to get water everywhere. Alright, so what we've done is my beautiful wife Susan has fed in that black plastic pipe all the way down the chicken pen, all the way into this chicken pen, and out the other side to where the ducks are. For quite a while we've successfully used this 5-gallon bucket here, and we've used the nipples in there. You can see we had 4 of them in there. I'll show you the bottom. So we put those nipples in, we use that. Works very well. And we thought what we're going to do is we're going to try a change. We're going to try to put a continuous stream of water and low pressure in there on that line. Alright, so what we're doing here is the lovely Susan is putting a zip tie on. We're going to zip tie this in place. We're going to try some of these little chicken and duck watering things. We got a couple of them. We're going to use some of the other drip ones too. But this give them a little bit, you know, just looks a little nicer, costs a little bit more. You're not supposed to use these on a pressurized system, only on a gravity flow system. So here we go. We'll put them in. I'm going to put the first one right here. Okay. Got my hole going. Okay, there it is. There's the first one. We got our hose on very low. It's kind of an experiment. And here's our very first one. You can see got some water in there. So there's water going on there. Hey lady, how you doing? She's coming to check out what I'm doing. And then over here we got a drip one, and it is actually dripping. Right there, got another one of these with water in it. And then you come into our other cage, following this along. Got our couple of chickens in here. See, these chickens are in here because they're kind of mean. They pick on our other chickens. It's called the pecking order, but they kind of really are a little bit rough. So we got another one here, right there. And then you got another one here. You can see the got a little bit dripping going on. Tighten that thing up a little bit. See if we can stop that dripping. Okay. Another one here. And then what we did is we went outside, and to make it so that there's no pressure, we put the end of it in our pool, so any pressure gets drained off there. So there they are. There's the mother hen. She's in there. She's figured out where the water comes from already. Doesn't take them very long, and she's drinking away. So that's how we put our new drip system in for our ducks and our chickens. And we put that in the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.